What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. Today we are going to be painting the new Bronco body I just got in for the SCX10 2, and these are the colors we're going to be painting it: black, silver, and red. And the first thing that I'm going to do is open this thing up and get it all cut out, and then we can wash it. Got the body all opened up. Looks super good, and this is the design that we're going for, this Baja Bronco that Ford made, and that is the design that we're going to be painting with these colors. And now I'm going to start cutting this thing out. Now that the body is all cut out, we can go to the sink and wash it. Now that the body is all washed, I'm going to take a Sharpie and draw on the outside the design, and then we can start masking. It just makes it a little bit easier for when I'm masking, so I know where to put the lines of the tape exactly, so it looks perfect. Now that I got everything marked up, I'm gonna mask off everything that isn't black, like the silver, the red, and because the hood, the roof, and then the back of the car is gonna be black, and so is the stripe right here, and you want to paint the darkest color first. So we're gonna mask off the silver and the red and the windows, and then we can paint the black, and then we'll probably paint the silver and then the red. Got it all masked up, and I barely have any black left, so we're gonna have to run down to Viper, my local hobby shop, and get some more black. And I'm gonna get this black that has a little bit of sparkle in it that we used on Kyle's Ep.4 Sport. That looked awesome, so gotta run down to Viper and get some more paint, and then we can get painting.
One eternity later.
It's been a week and the hobby shop still hasn't gotten any paint in stock, and I saw that some people on Instagram were using this paint to paint their RC bodies, and so I thought I would try it out, and I went down to Ace Hardware and got some of this paint, and now we can finally get painting and test this new paint out. First color that we're going to be using is black because it's the darkest. Dry, we're gonna take the masking and peel it off and paint the red section. Okay, now that all the red is done, I'm gonna peel off the masking for the silver. Now that the body is all painted, we can go inside and take the film off and the window mask and put stickers on. Just finished putting all the stickers on, and the truck looks awesome, especially with the red method wheels. And now I'm gonna go outside and test it on the color course. I just redid the crawler course, so it's more up against this fence over here, because there used to be a bunch of junk over here. So I kind of cleaned it out, and it's pretty much the same, but just in a little bit different, just in a different spot. The only thing that's really different is this bridge that has some dirt on it, and this cutout and this berm over here. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. Truck looks awesome, especially with the wheels and tires.
Catch you in the next video. Peace.